Hello everyone, my name is Joey Adams, or I guess if you're a student watching this video, I'm Pastor Joey, and the reason for that is because I am your Calvary Christian School chaplain this year. So, as your chaplain, I'm going to be overseeing all of the chapel services, inviting speakers to be at those. I'll be speaking in chapels myself some, and just ensuring that chapels are generally enjoyable and awesome for everybody to experience. So I'm really excited about that. When I'm not acting as chaplain, you'll probably see me in classrooms and everywhere around the school because I'll also be an aide and a substitute teacher when I'm needed in those roles. And then I'll also fulfill some clerk/administrative type roles as well. So I'm super excited for the school year to start. It's my first year, and I'm really excited to get to know everybody and to just generally serve the student body and the faculty and staff at Calvary Christian School. So, looking forward to seeing everybody.